welcome back to my channel. Myself Pratiksha, and today we're gonna do an unboxing of Amazon Baby Registry Bag, and here it is. If you like to see unboxing videos and other cool contents, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you will get notified whenever I upload a new video. So in here, I got a very cool bag inside. This is the bag. I really like the color of the bag. Pretty cool, a statue color and pink and a little grayish color, but beautiful. So before we directly move into the unboxing, I have linked down my previous unboxing videos of welcome baby bags from Target and Walmart. You can watch it. So first of all, before moving to today's unboxing video, if you have missed any previous unboxing videos of a baby bag, I have linked them down into the description box. So you can directly click to the link and go to the previous unboxing videos. Getting this bag is a really simple thing, but there are little tricks and tips that I will share you in a later part of this video. First, as usual, I'll just share what I have received in this bag. I'll show you each items, and in the next part I will show you how to get this bag. Okay, so without any further ado, let's get started. So let's see what I have received in this bag. So very first item, I can see it's a Dr. Brown's baby bottle. It's an anti-colic bottle, and wow, here it is. It's a 150 ml, so 5 oz bottle. Pretty cool and cute. Let's see what's next in this bag is, oh wow, another baby bottle by Nook. Really tiny, very beautiful. It has a little polka dots on it. Nice. I'm not going to open this one. Keep it close. Next, I can see a swaddling blanket by Amazon Essentials. Let's see how the material is. Wow. So the material is very nice. It has a little stretch, but I guess this is a cotton one. Yep. It's a one size swaddling blanket, which has a really nice color. Let's see, next item is Pampers samples. So let's see what is inside. So here I have, first product is sensitive wipes, baby wipes, pack of 6 wipes, sorry, not wipe, 6 wipes. Next, I received a sample of 1 diaper. Cute little teeny tiny diaper. And I have 1 pouch of Drift. It is specially designed for newborns, washing their clothes. So laundry detergent, very nice. I received a few coupons on wipes and a diaper, and also draft liquid. Yeah, that's it. Next I have sample of Lencino. It's an organic nipple balm sample. Then healing ointment for a baby by Aquaphor. Then 3 samples Cetaphil baby wash and shampoo. 1 a body spray by Degree, and I guess this is for mommy. And Aveeno Baby, it's a daily moisturizer lotion. Pretty handy packs. And let's see how this smells. Ooh, really cool smell. It smells really nice. Wow. And next I have few advertising pamphlets. You know, how to download Amazon app in your phone, and how you can scan and add any item into your registry, and you can purchase your favorite products. So yeah, I guess this is pretty much it I received in my baby bag. So it's a pretty good deal, right? I received one nice swaddling blanket, very cute. Few samples, handy samples, wipes, diaper, and 2 bottles. Pretty cool. Oh, let's move forward and let's see how you can receive your Amazon baby registry bag. So to get one of this baby registry bag from Amazon, first requirement is to have an Prime account. If you don't have any Prime account, you can try for 30 days. So you just click on the Prime membership and you can start your trial period for 30 days. So what I did, I created a baby registry on Amazon. I added few items into the baby registry because anyways you will be purchasing baby items from you know, Amazon, because Amazon has everything you need. So I added a few baby products into the baby registry. Then there is second criteria, which is to, you know, complete your checklist, your baby registry checklist. So literally go into the baby registry checklist and mark everything, you know, written over there. It's like they have section about bedding, nursery, travel, feeding, and you know, something like that. So just check mark everything. After you check mark everything, your checklist is 100% completed, right? And the third criteria is if you or someone into your family or friends buy at least $10 worth of a product from the registry. So what I personally did, I ordered few swaddling blankets because anyways I will need them in the future. So I ordered like worth of $12 swaddling blankets. They were like pack of 7 blankets, which was a very good deal. Like in under $12 you are receiving you know, organic cotton material, 7 packs of swaddling blankets. So I ordered that as it was a Prime account. I got that product in 2 days. So literally I was qualified for applying for a registry bag. So I added into my account. Then I suddenly saw that the bag is worth of $35. It's like I need to pay for it, but I just look into my purchasing details, and I saw one line that they gave me, like Amazon gave me a $35 worth of promotion code that I don't need to enter my credit card details or any gift card details. I just click on that promotion code worth of $35 and I check out the baby bag. Yes, it took 2 weeks to receive your bag, but yeah, anyways, you have 30 days of a trial period. You can also order other baby products that you love or you wanted in the future. So that's how I got this Amazon Baby Registry bag, and it is very simple. After 30 days, if you wanted to continue your Prime account, you can simply continue with it, or if you wanted to stop your membership, you can cancel it anytime, and that's free. 30 days, Prime Video, Prime Music, and a lot of stuff and services. Worth trying it, right? So how about you also check on to that Amazon Baby Registry bag and try that 30-day trial of Prime if you haven't registered for a Prime account. So that's an opportunity for you. Yeah, that's it for today's video. If you like this video, give it a big fat thumbs up and share with your friends and family who are expecting. This will be very, very helpful for them. Also, if you have any question related to Amazon Baby Registry, feel free to ask me in the comment section. I will be very happy to give you answers. Also, if you like my makeup, I have linked them down into the description box, like what products I have used for making this video. And if you wanted to know about how to get this look, let me know in the comment section below so that I can get to know that yes, you are interested how to get this look, and I will prepare tutorial video on this how to get this look. Please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you will get notified whenever I upload a new video. So that's it for today. I had fun talking with you. I'll see you in my next unboxing video. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy, and enjoy happy shopping.